What's up, guys? We got another episode of Tint Talk. So we're gonna be removing this 4-year-old tint on this Subaru Impreza WRX Turbo. I know I had to say the whole thing. So the thing is, this tint depot film, depot, don't, I say it a certain way. It's been on here for about 4 years. So we're gonna remove it. We're gonna open the store and take a look at it. It's been on here. It's held up very, very, very well. No big bubbles, nothing like that. Only thing I had on it was minor imperfections because, I was tinting my own car and I was like, I'm not going to sit there and throw 3 billion percent worth of effort in it. But we're going to remove this film and see how it goes today. We have the window. We have the film that's been on here for, I would say, 4 years. It's Tint Depot film. I'm not sure the exact film that I had got on there, but I know it was just one of their brands on there from back in the day. And like I said, this car has not bubbled up. There has been no tint failure. There has been no peeling or anything. No color illumination. Hasn't lost color at all. So we're just gonna see how hard or how easy this will be to remove. So let's just check it out. So when I'm removing a window, I'll use this Jiffy steamer. I don't use heat guns when I'm removing. I don't just go at it with a blade and just start scraping, unless it's one of those removals where the fucking film has just became one with the glass and then I'm having a bad day. So this I can oh man, this is peanut butter. Oh yeah, this is removing really well. This is really good. And the film is still thick. It's not tearing apart or anything too. This one is really good. So this removal, I don't think it's that bad. This is like ideal if a customer comes in and they need a removal on a car and you charge them for removal. You're like, removals take a while, and you get something like this. I mean, man, dude, you can hear a little bit of the pulling, but honestly, I think I can pull. I'm just gonna put the steamer down because I think I can just pull the rest of this without the steamer. I think it's good. We're gonna see. It's not leaving any glue, but you can hear the noise, so no glue. Let's see. No glue. Wow. That's insane. So, wow. We got a little sliver up here, it's just stuck in the seal. But holy crud. That, honestly, I thought this video would be a lot longer than this. But this is the film removed on the WRX, and this is Tint Depot film. It held up really well for 4 years. No problems at all with it. Zero problems. And the removal, I used a little bit of the steamer, and as you could see, it pulled off. I know you can't, there's no glue on here. Like, there's no glue on here. That is insane. That is, I would say, I would rate this film from my experience with it and my my discovery, and especially with the removal, compared to some of those other films where you have one for like fucking a week and you have a shitload of glue to remove and you have problems. I would give it, man, I'd give it, like, I don't want to rate too high here, but as for like a film that I just would love using, I'd give it a 10. I'd give it a 10. So yeah. All right. So what we have right here is the film that we just pulled off the car. So it's about 20% film. The UVR rejection 98, and the infrared rejection at 47. That's actually really good for a carbon film. 47 is like industry, like 40 is like industry standard for the IR rejection. Anything about that is really good. So UVR 98, which, you know, that should be about, that's about right. But yeah, so this Tint Depot film, I'll definitely recommend it if you want to go that route. This is a really good film, a really good product, easy to remove. So if you ever have something to do in the future to remove, this is, man, I would definitely go this route. Like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys. If you want to see more of this type of content, come back to the channel. We'll be coming out with a lot more episodes and a lot more cool stuff for you guys in the future. Also, if you want to see any type of video or have any type of tint questions, comment in the box and I'll touch up on it and I'll get back to you, and maybe I'll even drop a video about it. Appreciate you guys. Thank you.